How to fix Instagram activity status not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Instagram's activity status not showing. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. To fix your Instagram activity status not showing, you'll first check if your own status is enabled. Since you won't see others' activity if your own is turned off, you will need to check that. First, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. Then head over to your profile on the bottom right. And after you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right. And you should be on your settings and activity. After you're there, scroll down till you find messages section. There you'll find messages and story reply. Tap on that. And from here, make sure that your activity status option, tap on it, is enabled. So enable that and check if activity status is now being shown in your DMs. If the other users have also enabled their activity status, you should be able to see them. And yeah, that's the first thing. So also, activity status is only visible to people you mutually follow or with whom you have an active message thread. So you can't do it without that. If this does not do it, try to update your app to the latest version if an update is available. If not, simply uninstall and then reinstall the app. This often clears up persistent bugs and that should fix your issue. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.